So guys, the snapshot of the Hamster Kombat has been taken on the 20th of September. That means the tokens, whatever you are going to earn from the Hamster Kombat, will also be revealed soon. So is there any way after this you are going to earn Hamster Kombat? I'll be telling up in this particular video. The snapshot means you cannot earn further hamster coins, you cannot mine, you cannot use the hamster coin for the season 1. But in this video I'll be telling you a way where you can still earn hamster coin and withdraw it on the 26th of September, in addition to the actual earnings which you have made in the mining application. So it's going to be very interesting, and also I'll be talking up what are the new updates coming up in the Hamster Kombat mining application, and after the Hamster Kombat ends, which airdrop you should be focusing on. All that thing I'll be telling up in this particular video. It's going to be a very interesting video, so watch the video till the end if you want to make more profits than the Hamster Kombat, and if you want to increase your profits in Hamster Kombat. Everything I'll be telling up in this particular video. So guys, for now the snapshot has been taken, but not the tokens have not been revealed how much you have been earned. By the time the video is released, the tokens whatever you will be able to withdraw, that also will be told. So tell me in the comment section if that is released, how much tokens you are eligible for the withdrawal. So as you can see, what's new, you can see all the achievements will be shown, all the income achievements will be converted into hamster coins. That was the exact thing we mentioned in all our videos. Concentrate on the achievements, make sure you have a good achievement. All the achievements should be having a good card. So if you have that, you are going to get the highest amount of the Hamster Kombat. We have already told that, and we are calculating your results. They will be also ready soon. Once the result is there, that means how much tokens I'll be getting and how much tokens I can withdraw, all that thing will be shown. Just press on thanks here, and new valuable assets, that is diamonds, will be coming up. So what else we can see, all new skins are free, and check out highlights for the first season. Everything will be shown here. These are the highlights. You can see, you can everything you can scroll and see what are the highlights in the memory section. Every detail, whatever achievements you have done, everything will be shown over there. Now you can earn diamonds here. As you can see, you can earn diamonds, you can change your skin here, all that thing is there, and the skins are for absolutely free. So for this is going to be useful in the season 2. So if you are getting in early here for the season 2, that's also a good thing. And they also have said that the season 2 will also be launching on the next year, that is 2025. So make sure you are putting some of the efforts here also. First and important main thing you have to do is check on the withdrawal. If your the Binance exchange tick mark is done, or any exchange which you have chosen tick mark should be there, that means you are going to receive the tokens in that particular exchange. If there is no tick mark, you should be doing the KYC today, because today is the last day for doing that, and after that if you don't do it, your tokens will be going into waste. So remember that, connect with the exchange, whatever exchange you want as a withdrawal, connect with that, and after you do that, you will be safer to get the withdrawal on the 26th of September. So these are all the things which are new in the Hamster Kombat. So leaving that apart, how we can still earn hamster, that's the main thing for today's video. This is only possible on the Binance launch pool. Everything is closed, the mining, everything is closed, the snapshot has been taken. But if you still want to earn hamster coins and make profits on the 26th of September, launch pool is the only option, that is Binance launch pool. As you can see, 3 billion tokens, that is 3% of the supply, will be distributed in the Binance launch pool, and this will be coming up on the 23rd of September. We have 2 days. So those who already know about the Binance launch pool, you can directly join. For those who don't know, let me tell you how you are going to join it. So 3 billion tokens will be distributed, and if you are in the BNB pool, you can see almost 3,541,000 will be distributed, and if you are in the FTUSDT pool, 625,000 hamster will be distributed among them. So now coming up the question, how exactly you're going to join the launch pool? Is it easy? Do you require fund? What do you require for that? Let me tell you, and how exactly it's going to happen in the launch pool, so that you can get Hamster Kombat coins for free if you are having BNB with you or FTUSDT. So first and foremost, you need to have a Binance exchange with you. If you don't have, download from the link in the description. You'll be getting some additional bonuses. So go to the profile section, and here there is an option of more services. Click on more services, and once you click on more services, in the search option you have to search launch pool. Just press on launch pool. Once you press on launch pool, you'll be shown all this launch pool, that is Binance launch pool, which have already completed on the 23rd of September. Here you can see Catizen launch pool, which was completed recently. There will be an option of hamster. So for now there is no option. On the 23rd it will be coming up, the hamster will be coming up, and 3 days after the withdrawal starts, that is 26th, at the same time you are going to get the hamster coins. So how exactly this is going to work? There is going to be BNB pool and there is also going to be FDUSDT. So if you are having BNB with you, if you are having FDUSDT, so many people will be having BNB with you. So what you can do, stake your BNB in this particular pool. So for example, if I have 5 BNB, my 5 BNB will be staked, and equivalent to that 5 BNB, how much hamster coins will I be getting, all that details will also be shown. And after the launch pool ends, that is on 26th of September, you'll be getting back your BNB. Along with that, you're going to get an additional hamster coin. That is the only way for you to earn hamster now after the snapshot has been taken. So many people make a lot of money with the launch pool. We have done also during the time of docs, during the time of Catizan. So if you are having BNB with you, tell me how many people are having BNB. You can join this particular launch pool. You are not investing your money, actually you are just staking that BNB, and after the stake period is over, you'll be getting back your BNB. Along with that, what is the additional? That is the hamster coins you are getting for absolutely free. So this is the utilization you have to do if you are having BNB. You won't be getting millions of hamster coins, but some hamster coins definitely, according to what amount of BNB you are going to stake, you will be getting the hamster coin, and that hamster coin will be able to withdraw during the time of listing itself. Along with that, whatever hamster you have mined, you can also withdraw that. So this is the bonus point for you to do, and you can only able to earn after the snapshot. This is the only way for you to earn. And in the previous video, I have told you how you can 5x your profits. The secret which I have told, you can watch that particular video and understand how you can 5x your profit from $100 to $500 or even $1,000 profits you can make from Hamster Kombat. Watch that particular video if you haven't watched. And now talking about which airdrop you should be focusing upon the Hamster Kombat closing up. So what is the focus should be converted into. So one such airdrop is known as BLUM, which has direct connection in the Binance, and all of the Ton blockchains, everything are following them. They have all the connections with them, and they will be also listing very soon. It's not just a meme coin which you can tap and earn. They have a proper use case. It is a trading app where you can buy and trade any coin in the market. So that's a particular use case which BLUM mining has. So make sure you're joining it. So those who have already joined, tell me in the comment section how much tokens you will be having. So I'll be coming up in a separate video what are the next airdrops you should be focusing on. If you want that particular video, tell me in the comment section after the Hamster Kombat ends. And also we'll be trying to make a trading live session for Hamster during the time of launching. So make sure this video crosses 3,000 likes, and we'll be coming up live and telling you where to sell your Hamster Kombat, or whether to hold or sell everything, every detail, as we have done in the docs. Also will be telling up. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys have understood the video. I'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.